Hello, friends. Announcement. Experience tranquility at Holy Village River Resort. Nestled on the banks of the Periyar River in Neriyamangalam, Kerala, Holy Village River Resort offers a serene getaway in the gateway to Munnar. Our resort features air-conditioned deluxe rooms, a dormitory, and a mini conference hall for all your needs. Immerse yourself in the beauty of the Periyar River and take advantage of our regular jungle safari program to Mamalakandam, a stunning location near Munnar. Don't miss out on this perfect escape. Call now to book your stay. Call now. Bye.